Many instructors say that most A&P students will struggle with critical thinking, and we know that one way we can help build those skills is to give those students opportunities for more practice. In Connect for A&P, you can filter on your content by level of Bloom's taxonomy, thereby increasing the level of difficulty and application for your students, as I'm filtering on right here. As an instructor, I want my students to demonstrate the ability to think critically and apply their knowledge in my course. Saladin A&P has a Connect site that is set up so that you as the instructor can select the questions that you deploy to your students. So in this example, I'm starting off at Bloom's level 1 or 2 with a simple labeling question. These are fabulous. Students really enjoy these. And as I start moving through my assignment here, you're going to notice that the complexity is going to increase. So in this example, what the student's going to be prompted to do is to read these sentences and then drag the terms accordingly. Along the Bloom's continuum, now I have a question like this, which is fantastic, where I'm going to have to indicate the characteristic for which each muscle or term is named. So now I'm going to have to specify the function, size, or shape. And what you'll notice here is if I wanted to, I could take all these things and put them in one area if that were relevant. Here I'm going to drag each label to the appropriate position and indicate the action described or produced by the muscle in question here. So decreasing the angle of the joint, maybe I would feel this is appropriate. But again, these give you a nice insight as an instructor as to how your students are progressing with the content and their knowledge in the course. So here you see a really complex question for most students where they're going to be presented with some physiological examples and they're going to have to drag the labels to the correct spot, as I just did there. Well, that may not be the correct spot, but that's where I'm dragging it as a student. And this one in particular is one of my favorites because now what you're doing is you're saying to the student, identify the energy system that would be most important for each of the following activities. And now this is where the student is going to be prompted to think about everyday activities that they might be doing. For example, if you have any golfers in your class, now they're going to have to figure out when you're golfing or swinging a golf club, are you in the phosphagen system? Or maybe you might be in the glycogen lactic acid system, but they're going to be required to think critically about some of these activities respectively and really apply their knowledge. And then you also have a combination of questions that will also present graphics that are from Saladin, where the students are going to have to, again, think critically about some of the content that they've seen in the textbook and apply it accordingly.